Eric. I really do appreciate you calling me, and I hope you're doing well. I hope you had a good Thursday, and I'm sure you're ready on Friday there in Sweden. And I hope the temperature is not too low for you over there. All right, Eric, how copy? Back to you. Sierra Mike 7, Lima Queen Oscar. This is Whiskey 1 FTX. Back to you.
Whiskey 1, Fox Delta X-Ray. Sugar Mike 7, Lima, Queen Oscar, returning from business. Yes, everything is okay there. I have been a little sick there because I'm smoking too much before. And I have some problem today there. And I hope everything is okay down in Rhode Island. I wonder if you can go to QSat.com and go to the square with the confirming and put in the time when you stop the QSO and when they stop the QSO. And then the yellow star will go up and give the Rhode Island new QSO for me then. I need a Rhode Island for a new for the confirmation from States Award. Back to you then. Whiskey 1, Fox Delta X-Ray. Sugar Mike 7, Lima, Queen Oscar, go ahead, my friend.
QSL Eric, 100%. Sierra Mike 7, Lima, Quebec, Oscar. This is Whiskey 1 FTX returning. Yes, for sure, Eric. I'll be more than glad to confirm this QSO with your station on QRZ logbook. And this way you will have Rhode Island confirmed for your, I would assume, work all states certificate. All right, so I'll do that after we finish our QSO. I'll make sure that I go to QRZ.com logbook and confirm this QSO. All right, nice talking to you. Have a great Friday there in Sweden, and have a great weekend as well. It was nice talking to you. Appreciate. Thank you. Back to you for your final. Sierra Mike 7, Lima, Quebec, Oscar, Eric. This is W1FDX. Back to you.
And from business, very fine, very, very good. And you can go to QSat.com and have the square confirming when you stop and when you're beginning the time there. You see the square. Thank you very much, then. Take care, and I'll see you some other time on the van. Fox Whiskey 1, Fox Delta X-Ray. Sugar Mike 7, Lima, Queen Oscar, saying 7-3. All the best. Take care. Bye-bye.
This is Alpha 92 Sierra Sierra, listening and will stand by for any QSOs.
Changing 4, Victor Hotel.
Alpha 95, Alpha Jew, Alpha 95, Alpha Jew, this is Hotel Lima 2, Bravo Oscar Papa, Hotel Lima 2, Bravo Oscar Papa calling in.
Hotel Lima 2, Bravo Oscar Papa, this is Alpha 92 Sierra Sierra. My old call sign was Alpha 95 Alpha Zulu. My current call sign is Alpha 92 Sierra Sierra. Thank you for getting back to me. I'm here with a new amateur radio station, so I'm showing him how DMR works. This is Alpha 92 Sierra Sierra, back to you, Hotel Lima 2, Bravo Oscar Papa.
Alpha 95 Sierra, this is Hotel Lima 2 Bravo Oscar Papa returning. Thank you very much. Coming back to my call. Your signal is very clear and strong. 5 by 9 here in Korea. My name is John. Juliet Alpha November Golf. John is my name. My QTH is 80 kilometers south of Seoul, the capital city of Korea. Alpha 95 Sierra, this is Hotel Lima 2 Bravo Oscar Papa. Back to you.
Hotel Lima 2, Bravo Oscar Papa. This is Alpha 92 Sierra. I repeat, Alpha 92 Sierra. It's not 95, it is 92. Thank you for getting back to me there, Jang. My name is Shaheen, spelled Sierra Hotel Alpha Hotel Echo November. QTH is the Kingdom of Bahrain. It's cold 20 degrees Celsius currently, and the time is 6 minutes past 3. Thank you so much for getting back to me once again. And I'll keep this QSO short. I'm just showing you a new station how DMR works. It's a pleasure talking to you, Jang, and hopefully we'll talk again soon later on down the line. This is Alpha 92 Sierra 73s and clear after your final. Hotel Lima 2 Bravo Oscar Papa.
Alpha 92 Sierra, this is Hotel Lima 2 Bravo Oscar Papa returning. Yes, I've copied correctly your call sign. I'm very happy to meet you. Today we are a cloudy day. The temperature is now 9 degrees Celsius. And hope to see you again soon in your features again. I'm looking forward to the next contact. I'll send my final now and clear read. Alpha 92 Sierra, this is Hotel Lima 2 Bravo Oscar Papa 73. Bye bye. Have a good day.